Ever wondered how to make the perfect gingerbread pancakes with spice syrup? Well, today, we're unlocking the secrets to this culinary delight. First things first, gather your ingredients. You're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of ground ginger. You'll also need a full teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. For sweetness, include 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of molasses. To bind everything together, you'll need 1½ cups of milk, 1 large egg, and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. Now, onto the spice syrup. You're going to need 1 cup of maple syrup, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of cloves. Begin by combining all your dry ingredients in a large bowl, whisking them together until they're well mixed. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Then slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry one, stirring as you go. You want a smooth, thick batter. Next, heat a griddle or a large frying pan over medium heat. Use a bit of that melted butter to grease it. Pour about a 1/4 cup of batter onto the griddle for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown. While your pancakes are cooking, it's time to make the spiced syrup. In a small saucepan, combine all the syrup ingredients. Bring it to a simmer over medium heat, stirring until everything is well combined. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Now you're ready to serve. Stack those delicious gingerbread pancakes high on a plate, drizzle with the warm spice syrup, and voila! You've got a breakfast treat that's sure to impress. So, to summarize, 1. Combine dry ingredients. 2. Mix wet ingredients in a separate bowl. 3. Gradually add wet mixture to dry ingredients. 4. Cook the pancakes on a greased griddle or frying pan. 5. Serve the pancakes with a generous drizzle of spice syrup. With this simplified recipe, you're well on your way to creating the perfect gingerbread pancakes with spice syrup. Happy cooking!